Yeah. We are so small.
This fire, so we are small and we are super tiny. And this one looks like doing carrot. Whoa! Wow, the balls are so. This is from
Oh my god. Oh my god.
I cannot control myself. It's so bad.
Bro, I need to respawn. I'm too small. I'm bigger than you. Yay.
I'm so small.
You need to respawn.
I want to be tiny.
Look at me. I'm at the giant's moon.
I'm still a little.
I can.
Keeping my little. Oh, don't stress me. I'm still a little. You're right.
Oh my god.
Oh, I can win, guys. Look at me. Guys, look at me. I'm too drunk. Guys, look at me.
Oh my god. You got this, red team. Yay! You're bigger than I am. How lucky. Is there everyone now? Yay! Oh my god. Okay. Yeah. Ah! Let's see. I only find one too. How lucky. I'm zooming out and I cannot see a single one fire. Oh my god, there's two! Run, 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 run. Yes! I'm free right now. Yay! I have 4. How lucky.
I still have some fireworks.
Me too.
Okay. Gonna drop some blocks down there.
Yellow bellow. Yellow bellow. Hello, hello.
I still have a firework. I want to light it. I cannot light the fire.
I cannot do it anymore. Why do you need to be all alone? Is this the color? That's a girl. Bruh, 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 bruh. Oh my gosh. Why do you want a banana? Pow pow. What are we? Whee! How? Only 2 seconds. I want to be the block in the button. Yay! 50 clicks.
Raining bombs.
It's raining bombs from out of the sky. Bombs. I'm gonna go here. No bombs should be here. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, there's a bomb almost killed me. Ow my gosh. There's a bomb. It's raining bombs from out of the sky. Bombs. Ah! Ah! Rah! Yay! Run! Run! Yay! Yay! I won! I wanna! I'm trying to go back to the other side.
Why do you want to go out?
Because I want to do it twice. Yay!
Yeah.
I won! I won twice. Well, that is easy.
Get to the top.
Ah! Why can I not jump? Jump! 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 Oh my god, how can I get to the top? This is impossible. Oh my god, stop! Oh my gosh. Ah, stop! I hate it. Jump! I hate this. Oh, great. Good thing. The bottom. But this is easy. Whee! Why you kill me? You're so annoying. Ah! Oh my gosh. Oh no. You're eventually gonna die. Yeah, I'm still playing, but I'm losing. Let's jump. Let's jump to the laser. Jump, 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 jump. I'm playing, guys. I'm jumping. How did that Aaron guy get to the top? With a rainbow carpet. What? Ew. 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 They're aiming at you. The kid is aiming. I'm gonna try following them. There's no kill. I hope it doesn't spawn behind me. Is there a gun? Oh my god! Oh wow! Behind. Why are you falling? Never mind. Yay! Hey, I want the money. Where's the boats? I'm gonna go here. Oh my god! Hi, little buddy. You good? Ah! Wow! Why me? I did nothing wrong. I'm a good boy. I can see my butt now. Money, money. Yahoo! I only got 6. I got 6. She used the rainbow carpet, duh. I want it. I'm drinking. I'm trying to drink. Oh, that I'm the one. How can I drink it, by the way? I'm clicking 100 times. Can you hear my voice? Can you hear my tapping? Can I drink it, please? I'm stuck with this. Why is it so slow? I'm not trying to go to the clouds. I'm just gonna go one way through. gonna try to go in a one way. One way. Let's go. Okay. Yes, I'm second. I'm third. I'm number 3. You're number 5. I want to press the button.
Oh, the pumpkin size. I think it's scary for the pumpkin guy. This is scary.
Oh my gosh. Oh.
I hear him. This is so scary. This is so scary.
Bruh, why is it scary?
I hear him. Because I hear him.
I'm just gonna go this side.
I hear him.
Oh my gosh, I see the monster. If I think.
I hear him. It's so scary. He sounds so scary.
I'm going to the other side.
Where is the exit?
There's nothing, dude. There's no monster if you can see.
Where's the exit?
Wait. I think I saw a shadow. I'm just gonna go here. There's nothing. Where? I want to see the monster. I cannot see the monster even one time. Wow! Jump. Up! Okay. I see how it goes. This naughty thing is naughty. I made it on the last try. That means second try. I made it in the second try. Money. Yeah. It's gonna be blocking us. Oh my gosh. Look, I'm behind you. Look. We found a cheat code, guys. Oh, never mind. I want to go to here. No. Wait. I killed someone. Oh my god. It's okay. If I jump, I die. You make me lose. Everyone listen. This little girl don't let me lose her. Everyone kill her. Look, I'm standing on a tree. I'm at top. Everybody kill this girl. Great. Let's jump. I don't want to go to that one. Oh my gosh. If I die, we both die, okay? I stop. Why do I have a flower? Run, 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 run! Go, 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 go! Oh my god. Wait. Me too. Yay. Oh my god. Let's go, guys. This is scary. Let's go. Wee. Oh my gosh, I have one spin. Let's see. Oh, 50 coins. Oh, is it an obby thing? Oh my god. Oh my god, this slippery, dude. Go, 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 go. Yay. Ha ha. I don't know. I'm wanting to buy this building wall. I need 50 more coins. I want this one. I cannot jump. Wow! I have a small. Ah! What happened? I did not know I'm gonna be on a ocean, so I just walk off. So that's why I don't have a big brain. I have a small brain. Okay. Yes. You did not steal. I'm a helper. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. What just happened? Yay! I don't have a jackpack. I just teleported. Mm. 1,000. Where did he get it? Get in. Oh my. How do you get in the tree? How are you that lucky behind a tree? How? How are you behind a tree? That doesn't work anyways. Okay, so. Oh my god. Yes! Yay. Yay, this super speed. Oh, I like it. Oh my god, I cannot. Let's go to the treasure, dude. Bruh,
Yeah.
I cannot change.
Where? No.
Oh my god, I'm gonna run. There's a monster. Oh, never. Yay. Good thing. Oh my god. I'm playing right now. I'm playing up in the air. I'm gonna choose this one. Yeah. Stop yum. I hate the yum. You can get that again if there's a Halloween. You don't need to yum every time. So disappointing. Wow, yay! Wow! I jumped so big. How twinsies! Oh my. Okay. I got to the top.
Me too, I'm at the top.
Yeah. Whoa, my god. Huh? How are you at the blue side? Stop! I hate this piece. Just go. Go in! Ah! Stop! I hate this stuff. Why can I not be in the blue team? I need like 100 jumps. I cannot hear any voice now. You're so tall. My jump is equal to your head. Whoa. I can only jump to your arm. No, nothing. not fair. Why you steal from me? Oh my god, how did I die? How can you be giant? You guys are giant. Jump. I'm just gonna follow my big sister. Whee! You finally tiny! Yay! Hello, tiny. You die. Oh, you're up here. Never mind. Wait, I have enough money to buy. Oh my god, I got two. Yay. One more. See? Oh, never mind. Do you want me to help you? Oh my god. Yay. Can we levitate and do it? Oh my god. we're finally tiny. Ah, oh my gosh. Oh my god. No. Wow. I like the blue one. No. Go to something like a metal thing. I'm at the metal thing. Raining blocks. This. It's raining blocks all out of the sky. Rocks all. Where's the eggs? I only found one. Oh, I found one. You already have 8. I'm gonna zoom out and find eggs. Never mind. Can you give it to me? You have 9. It's hot potatoes.
Mountain top.
Okay. Run, 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 run. What is this? I'm almost at the mountains. Yay. Yeah. Yeah. Bye guys.